Learn the use of na ebite. Na ebite means is borrowing as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb na ebite in our sentences now. Igbo, English. The first sentence is ha na ebite ego. Ha na ebite ego, meaning they are borrowing money. You can see that here we use are because of they, this plural they. Instead of is, we use are. The second one is ọ na-ebite ego kita or ugbua. Ọ na-ebite ego kita or ugbua, meaning he is borrowing money now. Remember, you can use kita or ugbua. Two of them means now. Just the same thing. Ugomma na-ebite ego ụgwọ akwụkwọ ya. Ugomma na-ebite ego ụgwọ akwụkwọ ya, meaning Ugomma is borrowing money for her school fees. You can see that our verb here is na ebite. It means is borrowing. We have explained that when you hear na e or na a, it is a continuous tense. It is a verb that shows continuous tense. Like in English, you will see it with ing. It shows present continuous tense. So, like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.